everyone, welcome to Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, located off of Lake Superior. I am Haley Johns, and today I get to show you the 2023 Grand Design Reflection. It's the 367 VHS. We'll start on the outside, work our way on the inside, then you can tell us what you think. So, for starters, you do get a nice front end cap that wraps around. Very nice large awning. There's two awnings on this. You get one in this main area, and then you get another one down in the back. Nice, huge storage area. Now this rig comes to us at 41 feet long, 12,552 pounds dry. Comes with a nice, great outdoor kitchen. We'll work our way on the inside in a moment. Now we're going to work our way underneath another awning and past one of your 4 slides. So there's opposing slides in the living area. There's a slide in the extra bedroom. That's kind of fun. And then another slide in the master bedroom as well. Outlet and these are always hard to pop open. Okay, we're going to pretend I popped it open. It's your cable input. So you can watch TV from the outside of your camper. How exciting is that? Okay, ladder that goes all the way to the top. It's super fantastic, so you can get up there, do all of the roof maintenance that you need to do. I'm stepping over cords, so I don't want to fall. Large window in the back, prepped for a backup camera, for a Furion backup camera. Great as well. And now here are your other 3 slides on this side. Nice large one here. Nice large window in this second bedroom or office area, if you will. Now, this has your convenience center. Let's get some light for you. Ta-da! Okay. So hot and cold water, you can hook up your spray cable so you can spray off yourselves, the dogs, the bikes, the kids. With hot or cold water, it looks like a garden hose, works really well. You have a spot to be able to put all of your hoses and your connections through there, and it goes all the way down, so these doors can be shut and locked, so what you have in your pass-through storage is still safe and not accessible to others. You do have an auto level, electric level, and it is prepped for the tire link system. The tire link system is kind of what a lot of automotives have now, where it just keeps track of your tire pressure at all times. I know one concern that a lot of people who use RVs is the tire pressure, because you don't want to have a blowout. It can do a lot of damage to that underbelly and that undercarriage. So, working our way around, you have a Rhino box for your pin box. Fancy LED lights, I absolutely love it. Okay, let's go take a look on the inside. Nice stairs. I'm going to give a shout out to these before we work our way inside. Now these stairs, a lot of people, when their stairs flip up into their camper, they're concerned about getting debris or things inside their camper, so they have to brush them off. These actually just fold up flat, so all of that debris falls right onto the ground before you lift those all up into your camper, which is great. Okay, come on in. Nice big grab handle on your way inside. So we're gonna start in the living area. So on this side, we have your dinette. Couple great functions about this. You do have this bench that can be removed, used as a footstool or a footrest over in your couch living area, but it does also open up for storage space as well, which is fantastic. You get a couple of chairs. These chairs also lift up for more storage. This rig is nothing short of storage. There's a lot of storage in here. So theater seats, up above the theater seats, you do have a lot of, once again, storage. So with these theater seats, I wish I could tell you or show you, have you feel through the camera how these feel. So they look like cloth, but really it's a nice wipeable material. So if anything were to get spilled, or maybe if you have pets, anything like that, it's just gonna be really easy to clean. Nice little remote storage. Cup holders, you also get your lights, your vibration, your heat, the whole 9 yards. Recliners, of course. If I did that, I wouldn't probably leave that spot, and you guys want to see the rest of this camper. All right, your couch does fold out into additional sleeping. If you do have all the rooms in, rooms, because this has 2 rooms. If all the rooms are filled up with campers, you can always sleep more out here. You do have storage up above. Nice and big. Your theater seats sit right across from your entertainment center. You do get some storage up here as well, along with your electric fireplace. Now that does put out some heat. You're not going to be able to heat your entire 41-foot camper with that, but it does kind of help take that chill off in the morning or at night if you're kind of those in-between campers, or maybe you're camping in a spot where it does get a little cold in the morning or at night. All right, moving into the kitchen area. There's a lot of counter space in here, lots of drawers, nice deep drawers too, so you can actually fit quite a bit of things in here. Nice large area. You can fit the kitchen garbage in there, which is great. I know a lot of people ask, where does the kitchen garbage go? Great storage. So you do get a 3-burner stove, an oven. You can cook that pizza or maybe a little chicken. There's another drawer there. Storage up above here as well. Full-size microwave, which is really great. On the island, so you do have a lot of counter space. There are outlets so you can plug things in up top. So if you're not wanting to put, your crock pot or your Instapot over by the stove, you can always have it up here if you've got a lot of people coming over from the campsite. Nice big stainless steel sink, pull down faucet. That leaked a little antifreeze, because fun fact, in Minnesota here it gets really cold, so we winterize all of our campers to make sure that you guys are not getting a camper that has frozen lines. I know it seems kind of silly, like of course you would, but not a lot of people know that. Hey, and here is your tire link system, monitor system. So it's prepped there. That can be easily installed inside your fridge. I don't know why it's inside the fridge, but nice size fridge and freezer, lots of space in there. And this is probably one of my favorite features of this entire camper, is this pantry. Look at all the space in there. You can fit so much in here. You can fit, dog food or bins of extra things that you might need, utensils. You can use this for food. You can use it to store extra kitchen items. Really great. There is one up here. I am not tall enough, so I would need a step stool. I'm only 5 feet tall, so I would need a step stool for this. But a lot of people who have these RVs do get those collapsible step stools. Really handy. All right, let me show you the first of 2 of the bedrooms. So starting out, this bedroom has a couch that does go out into additional sleeping area, obviously. But then you also have a TV backer location. So you can plug a TV in. Maybe you need to use this space for remote working. If you work from home, you can really work from anywhere in the country. And then you have, we'll shut out that noise. Our shop is busy at all times. We have a great service department. So one thing, when you purchase a camper here at Bullion RV, you do get great service with that as well. Sometimes it just comes with a little bit of noise. Wardrobe area, one thing that, another thing that people always say when they have extra sleepers is they don't have place for their items, for their belongings. This extra bedroom has a lot of great options. So we're gonna work our way out. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that external door so we can actually hear. There, that's a little better. Okay, it's not gonna shut all the way unless I really pull it tight. There we go. Okay, working our way up in the hallway, here's your Compass Connect system. You can run all of your slides, your lights, check out all your tanks, all that great stuff, your awnings, all of that from there. So above this bedroom, if you needed more places to sleep, people, there's a ladder that comes out and a loft up above. So you can sleep one, maybe two people. There's also cubbies up top, so you can go ahead and have them put their belongings there. So this camper really can camp and sleep a whole family of people. You get a window in the hallway, which is great. Moving our way into the bathroom. So, nice porcelain toilet. There's a lot of pros to porcelain with the toilets. Nice soft closed toilet seat. This shower has a very small lip up onto the inside, so it's nice and spacious. There's a lot of room in here. Nice shower head, but lots and lots of room. The door does come unhooked and slides. You want to make sure that these are always shut and hooked and latched when you're traveling down the road. I have seen some not so good situations where those didn't make it the whole trip. Nice storage in the bathroom. Little bit of counter space, towel rack. Sometimes it's the little things. Grand Design thinks of a lot of little things that's really handy. There is a fan up here. There is also a motion censored light. This is great for at night if you wanted to have the light maybe not on at all times for the people who are sleeping in the loft and other such things, but you want it to turn on as soon as you go in. That's really great too. So moving into the second bedroom, the master bedroom. Nice queen sized bed in here. Does lift up for additional storage underneath. Lots and lots of space. I could crawl in here. That's how big that is. I'm not going to, but I could. Moving on over to this side, you have storage up above. Sorry, I probably should have opened this one. Maybe that's a little better view. And of course, a set of dresser drawers, because the people in this room need a place to put their things as well, which is really great. There's more drawers. I don't need to show them to you. You've seen drawers. So the closet. So I'm going to give a shout out. These mirrors are really handy for a couple of reasons. One, you may not always want to know what you look like when you go out, but sometimes I want to know what I look like when I go out, even if it is just taking a walk at the campground with my dog and meeting new friends or whatever it is. Nice big closet. So you can hang your items, you can fold your items, you could put your shoes here, shoes down here. It is also prepped for a washer and dryer. So you can put the washer on this side, dryer on that side, or if you have one of those washer dryer combos, it can all go on that other side. There is a little bit of storage up here as well, so you can also fold sweatshirts and towels and all kinds of things. So this camper, 12,552 pounds, dry weight, 41 feet long, has 2 bedrooms, a whole bunch of storage, an outside kitchen, a lot of really great features that you can use when you go camping. If you'd like to work with me on this unit or maybe any other unit in our inventory, you can give me a call. My number is 218-740-4997. And as always, I'm willing to go the extra mile to help you camp in style. Have a great day.